Let's go H Mart. I have my shopping list here. There are a lot of fish pancakes, grilled fish, pancakes, kimchi pancake, japchae. Oh, I wanted to buy a lot of things, but I'm gonna just stick to my plan. Today I'm here for mostly kitchen essentials. Like, let me show you. I was wondering about this. This is like enhancers. It makes food much better. So this one, the red one for spicy. I'm gonna buy this one for now. This one for like when we make vegetable side dishes is really good. It says. I used to use this soy sauce when I was in Korea. Next time I'm gonna buy this one. Today I need sesame oil. How much is it? Okay, this one and sesame seeds. 다시다 사야 돼. 다시다랑 여기 있네. Yeah, this 다시다 for corn noodles. I heard it's really good, but I have a lot of corn noodle broth, so I'm gonna pass it. This one. So beef dashida, I usually put this in my almost everything. It makes really amazing powder. And what else? I'm gonna buy Korean fish sauce. I saw that Korean people use it for like almost every soup, so I want to try it. Where are they? Wow, there are a lot of free kage. Hey, look at this Doraemon. Wow. I never seen these brands. I always saw this brand. They have a lot of different things here. Okay, I need some seaweed paper. Oh, and I need seaweed. Let me see, seaweed. I'm not gonna get this big bag. I'm gonna go with this. And seaweed. I want some curry. Today I'm gonna go with this. I usually get this brand, the Japanese one, but today I want to try like Korean curry. I miss the flavor. And I'm gonna go with this fish sauce. Corn syrup. If I have it, it's good, but I don't really use it so much, so I'm not gonna buy it. I need oyster sauce. This is one of my childhood cup ramen. It's not spicy, you know. I want to try it. Okay, I'm done shopping. I don't know, maybe I was so hungry, too hungry. I didn't really want to talk in the store. Today's video is gonna be very short. So today I got a lot of things, and you will see some items I'm gonna review in short video. Okay, today, I have to go home and film a lot of videos with these groceries. Bye bye.